McLain, did you have fun today?
Yeah.
Hi, McLain.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm smashing this.
You're smashing this. Why? What is that? What do you have?
I have Avengers.
You think it's Avengers?
Yeah.
I don't think it's Avengers. Do you know who this is from?
Yeah.
You do?
Yes.
Who is it from?
Wait.
Different, but it's gonna be a prize. You want to see your prize?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So we'll show this side. All right. We got this from BrickView, and it came all the way from England. Anyway, BrickView is a great channel, right? Is it a great channel?
Yeah.
Do you want Lego?
Yeah.
Do you want to see what Lego is in here?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open it up. They have lots of duct tape.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's find the Venom.
You think Venom's in here? Let's see. Okay, Paul, pull the silver part off. We got this because we commented on some BrickView videos during the month of April, and they selected us at random, and we won.
Whoa, it's a Venom inside.
What is it?
This is Venom.
It's Venom. I don't think they sent us Venom.
Lego.
Look, it's a
It's a flyback Lego.
BrickView, a card from BrickView.
This is Lego. Let's see what's inside.
Thanks for entering our Lego giveaway. Congrats on winning. We really appreciate your support by watching our BrickView videos. All the best, Mike and Kevin. There it is. Okay, what'd you get?
I got this Lego.
What is it?
It's a good guy.
It's a good guy. It's a BrickView guy. He has on a BrickView shirt. Let's see him. Get this out. Get it out. Can you sit down?
Yeah.
What is it?
Lego City.
It's a Legoland train. It's a train from Legoland. Do you want to get it out
Yeah.
and put it together?
Yeah. I don't get it.
There it is, the exclusive train you can only get at Legoland. And ours came from across the pond front. 210 pieces for ages 6 plus. Uh-oh, McLain's not 6 plus. Mommy will have to help. McLain, there's more minifigures in here too. Here's the bag. There's number 1. There's number 2. There's number 3. And there's number 4. And the instructions. There's more people in there.
Just the Avengers. This is Avengers Assemble.
Avengers, assemble! The Avengers can save the people on the train. Here's their heads. Are you finding the pieces for the people? Okay, I'm gonna try to build this thing, okay? Do you want me to build the train?
Yeah.
Okay, starting it. I'm building the train. Okay, McLain has the minifigures put together. Here's the woman. She's got purple. She's pretty cool. She's got a big bow in the back. Got some 90s fashion. Or maternity fashion. Maternity always has a bow in the back, right? I think the little boy isn't supposed to wear this shirt, but this is the shirt McLain put on him. So he's got the dark blue shirt on. He's got blonde hair, and he's kind of short. He's like our, that's what we didn't know. These guys are just kids. These guys from the other, they have the short stumpy legs like the little kid. So these guys must be little kids. They're the kid superheroes. Look, he's the same size. Actually, the kid is a little bit taller. The kid's a little bit taller than Captain America. Yikes. Alright, who else do you have put together over here? There's the tourist guy. We've got, I think we have the conductor's face with the tourist guy's hair and the kid's shirt. You know what? That's the way McLain wanted it, so that's the way he gets it. This guy's just cool. He's got a hoodie on. He's cool like that.
Let's do this.
Alright, and then this guy has a brown beard but gray hair. He's the conductor. He's pretty cool. See this piece? What shape is this piece?
Triangle.
It's a triangle. It's a red triangle. It goes on right here. We're getting. There's the beginnings of the train. It looks so cool. Does it look cool?
Yeah.
Okay, we got the first part of the train put together. That says Legoland. So cool. McLain, do you like our train?
Yeah.
Do you want your minifigures to ride in it? There's a little seat right here. You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can put a little person in there. You can drive it. Maybe the BrickView man? That's perfect. Who do you have in there, McLain?
I got black.
Did you put the train conductor in here? He's driving. He's driving the train. What else? Who else are you going to put in there?
Spider-Man and Iron Man and Captain America and Black Widow.
So cool. Alright, here's the little car that goes behind. It has a little broom and a little shovel. You ready to add this to our train?
Yeah.
Alright, we go. There it is! With our little conductor guy driving. And we got the broom and the shovel. Yay! Alright, now we get to make the part where the passengers go. Are you ready to do that?
Yeah, let's put Spider-Man in.
Okay. Whoa. Yep, there we go. He's gonna ride right there. That's because he's a superhero. He's cool like that. He can ride there, huh? Alright, one more part, and we'll have our completed train. You wanna hook it together?
Yeah. Oh!
Oh no! Wah, wah, wah. Is Iron Man riding in the very first car? Alright, let's hook this together. We're not finished yet, but we'll hook it together. We will hook it together. There. Alright. Mommy still has to make something for the top, okay? Still more pieces.
Ooh. Hey.
Hey! We gotta put the top on. You ready to put the top on?
Hey.
Are you ready to play with it?
Yeah.
You gotta put the top on. It got finished. Okay, you can play with it. Do you like your train?
Yeah.
Are you so excited? Are you glad we commented on BrickView's videos?
Yeah.
Yeah, and they were so nice and they had a contest. Kind of like a They talk about Legos on BrickView, don't they? Wait, they talk about Lego on BrickView.
Oh, we were wrong.
Keep messing that up. Sorry. Sorry, Lego people. I will learn eventually.
Oh.
What are you doing?
We will put his hair on.
His hair fell off?
I did it.
Oh no, his hair fell off.
I will sit over there.
Okay, better get it together. Put his hair on him. He can't be bald. Well, he can if he wants to be. I mean, or if that happens. It's okay to be bald. Are you having fun with the train?
Yeah.
Is it super duper cool? Alright, here's the little train station. Here's the BrickView guy holding the camera.
Oh.
There's the BrickView guy at the station, waiting for the train, taking pictures of all the superheroes. McLain, do you like the train?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the train from Legoland. If we were supposed to save it and not take it out of the box, I'm sorry. But we play with our Lego because it's fun. Here's the box. It has 210 pieces. It doesn't have that many tiny pieces, which I kind of like because we lose those tiny pieces sometimes. McLain has got Hulk and the little. This is the guy from, what is it called? Mighty Micros. The Hulk guy from the Mighty Micros. The Captain America from the Mighty Micros, which is really funny because here's the kid, and they're the same height. So I think that those are just the kid. Are those the kid superheroes?
No.
Well, they're the same size as the kid. Here, can he stand up here too?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oops, I turned his hair around. He's got the swooshy hair. He's super cool. So too, we got a little magnet. It looks the same as the postcard or the picture. Kevin and Mike. Hey, thank you for watching.
You've been watching. Bye. Don't get a BrickView on Avengers. Bye.
Say, thank you, BrickView.
Thank you, BrickView.